Welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2025 Honda S2000 is here, bringing back the legendary Roadster that enthusiasts have been waiting for. Honda has taken everything we loved about the original S2000 and infused it with cutting-edge technology, improved performance, and a modernized design. This is not just a revival, it's a reinvention. Let's dive into everything that makes the new S2000 a dream car for any driving enthusiast. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Honda S2000, you can tell it means business. Honda has done an incredible job blending the classic styling cues of the original with a futuristic, aggressive stance. The sleek and aerodynamic body features sharp lines and sculpted curves, ensuring that it looks just as fast as it drives. The elongated hood, a signature trait of the S2000, remains intact, giving it that perfect roadster proportion. The front end sports Honda's modern LED headlights, an aggressive grille, and large air intakes for better cooling. The side profile is pure performance. The low-slung stance, wide track, and muscular fenders make it clear that this car was built for speed. Honda offers lightweight forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, enhancing grip and handling. The retractable soft top roof remains, but for those who prefer a hardtop, there's an optional carbon fiber roof that adds to the car's structural rigidity while reducing weight. At the rear, the 2025 S2000 gets an updated LED taillight design inspired by Honda's racing heritage. A prominent rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips signal the car's aggressive nature. A subtle yet functional rear spoiler provides additional downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The entire package is designed to turn heads, whether you're at a car meet or tearing up the track. Step inside, and a 2025 S2000 welcomes you to a driver-focused cockpit that stays true to the original spirit. Honda has blended minimalism with modern technology, ensuring that nothing distracts you from the pure driving experience. The seats are race-inspired, offering bolstered support wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather. They are lightweight, heated, and designed to keep you planted during high-speed cornering. The digital instrument cluster is a work of art, displaying all the essential performance metrics with crisp graphics. A customizable heads-up display ensures that you can keep your eyes on the road while monitoring speed, RPM, and gear position. At the center, Honda has integrated a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you seamless connectivity. The physical buttons are kept to a minimum, preserving the simplicity that the S2000 is known for. Despite being a track-ready machine, Honda has equipped the 2025 S2000 with modern conveniences, such as a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a dual-zone climate control system. Storage space remains limited, but this car isn't about practicality, it's about the thrill of driving. Under the hood, Honda has brought back the high-revving, naturally aspirated spirit of the original while incorporating modern turbocharging technology. Powering the 2025 S2000 is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering an exhilarating 350 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This engine revs all the way to an impressive 8,500 RPM, staying true to the S2000's screaming VTC heritage. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring an engaging and pure driving experience. For those who prefer an automatic option, Honda offers a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission. The limited-slip differential adaptive suspension and lightweight chassis make this car an absolute weapon on twisty roads and racetracks. The 2025 S2000 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of around 170 mph. The handling is razor-sharp, thanks to a perfectly balanced 50/50 weight distribution and an advanced suspension system inspired by Honda's racing technology. Whether you're attacking corners or enjoying an open road cruise, the new S2000 delivers an unmatched level of driver engagement. For all this performance and engineering brilliance, the 2025 Honda S2000 remains surprisingly affordable. The base model starts at around $55,000, and making it one of the best performance cars in its segment. fully loaded models with carbon fiber enhancements, premium audio, and track-focused features can push the price closer to $65,000, but for the sheer joy of driving, every dollar spent on this car feels worth it. So, there you have it, the 2025 Honda S2000. It's a modern classic that honors its legendary past while embracing the future. With its breathtaking design, cutting-edge interior, exhilarating performance, and reasonable price tag, Honda has delivered what every enthusiast has been waiting for. What do you think? Is this the ultimate modern roadster? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Car Look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.